I'm an innovative person. I'm a creative person, so I come up with stuff when it comes to my work as well. I've studied fashion designing, so I'm good at sketching, so I innovate stuff in those terms, you can say. And yeah, when it comes to work, I think every day we're learning something new, coming up with new stuff, adapting, innovating, and yeah, that way I think it would be the perfect fit because this is such an innovative car, innovative event. I'm an innovative person. We don't know what Cyrus is doing here. So, yeah. मुझे actually गाड़ी चलाने सीखने की बहुत जल्दी थी. तो मैंने जब मैं 14 साल की थी, 9th standard में थी, तब मैं सीखती थी. But I would of course get my learner's license when I was 16 and then get my true license when I was 18. But I used to love to drive. तो मैं school के चक्कर काटती थी अपने गाड़ी में अपने ड्राइवर के साथ. And I actually learned to drive on an SUV, so I can drive any car.
हाल ही में हमें कटरीना कैफ का स्टैचू लॉन्च किया गया, हमने देखा. तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि क्या आपने देखा और कैसा लगा आपको?
नहीं, मैं वहाँ जाके तो नहीं देखा, बट हाँ मैंने फोटोज देखे.
जी बिल्कुल. तो कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत ही खूब. आई थिंक वहाँ पर पहुँचना इज़ अ ग्रेट डील फॉर एनी एक्टर हु इज़ सस्टेन्ड इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स. बहुत साल काम करने के बाद ऐसे मुकाम पर पहुँचते हैं. आई एम रियली ग्लैड फॉर हर दैट शी इज़ बीन एबल टू मेक इट टू मैडम तुसाद.
बीइंग अ वुमन, दीपिका का एक वीडियो है माय चॉइस, तो आप उससे खुद को कितना रिलेट करती हैं और वीडियो देखा आपने?
जी नहीं, मैंने देखा तो नहीं, बट आई नो द थॉट बिहाइंड इट विच इज़ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. एंड आई थिंक जो भी ये इनिशिएटिव ले रहा है, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड, इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम अ गुड स्पेस. बट ऑनेस्टली आई बिलीव दैट एम्पावरमेंट should be given to the women who actually need it and who are, you know, kind of far away from where we are right now. हमें तो बहुत सी luxuries दिखाई देती हैं, and we've been bred and brought up in luxury, and I think the women who really require it, and it's not always about just you know, the kind of clothes you wear, the kind of who you want to have sex with, or stuff like that. It's about employment, it's about
I was sleeping.
strength, it's about stuff like that. So I think it's a good initiative, but I think they should like really reach out to people who actually need it in like the deep ends of.
कुछ ही दिनों में शबाना आज़मी के रैम शो के लिए आप दोनों साथ में रैम्प वॉक करने वाले हैं. सो हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू?
I am very excited. But I have a feeling my dad is a little bit nervous. पहली बार life में, क्योंकि I think this is the first time he is going to walk on the ramp, and
this is Mumbai. Ramps may have holes in them. You have to be very careful here.
So he's a tad bit nervous, but वो दिखाएंगे नहीं. But I'm sure that it'll turn out very well. I'm very happy to be sharing ramp walking space with him.
I believe you're training hard for Akira. Tell us more about that. You're working with your father for the first time also.
That I'll be able to talk to you a little later. But yeah, I have been training hard and being innovative now. I think learning something new for a film is very, very cool. It's a fun thing to do and very, very exciting. So I think I'm just going with the flow. Yeah. I'm enjoying what I'm learning and trying to do my best.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.